Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to completely remove everything connected to your Patreon account using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 1 is to cancel your membership. Tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen and select settings. Scroll down and tap on membership. You will see all the creators you support. For each one, tap edit membership, then scroll down and tap cancel membership. Confirm your choice. Do this for every creator so you won't be paying again. Next, let delete your account. From the settings page, scroll down and tap on delete account. Patreon will ask you to confirm. If you are sure, tap delete my account and re-enter your password. Once confirmed, your Patreon account and all your membership and your data will be removed. You won't have access anymore and you won't be charged in the future. And that's it. In just couple of minutes, you have completely removed and deleted everything linked to your Patreon account using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.